This lemon pepper salmon is something I tend to make when I don't want to do a whole lot, but I know that I have to nourish my body. Super simple to make, but it tastes delicious. First thing I want to do is fry up some garlic. This will get nice and crunchy. I highly recommend keeping your pan on just like a medium-low heat. If you have it too high, it's just gonna burn and then you're gonna be extra sad. All right, you see it's starting to get super brown in some parts. And turn off the heat and take out the garlic bits. In that same pan, I'm gonna make the sauce. You don't even have to turn on the heat. You just dump everything in. So I've got soy sauce and sesame oil. That adds a nice nutty flavor. Oh yeah, all that mixed up with that garlic oil. And that's it, I let it sit there. That's my sauce. Now lemon pepper salmon needs lemon. Before I slice this up, I just wanna get that zest. Citrus is super uplifting. A little bit of sunshine. So I'm gonna make my little bed for my fish. And the last thing I'm gonna slice before I touch the fish is some bok choy. Sometimes I just feel hesitant to cook greens. I just want all the bad stuff. But then when I just put in a tiny bit of effort and make this for myself, I tend to feel a whole lot better. I'll be like, Jen, I told you so. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I've got a salmon steak here. It's one of my favorite cuts. My mom used to make this a lot for me as like an after school snack, which really is just dinner. Salt and pepper, get all sides. And get that oil on the skin too, because when this goes in the broiler, it's gonna crisp up just a little bit. Just transfer your fish onto its pre-made bed. A beautiful lemon. This cooks so quickly, maybe 5 to 6 minutes. You don't wanna cook it longer than that because then it'll be really dry. So just put this under the broiler. And while that's cooking, immediately, I'm gonna put the greens in the steamer. Check out that salmon. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. Check out this bok choy. I like it with still a little bit of bite, but nice and tender in the center. So I'm just gonna pull that off. And to the bok choy, you just drizzle over that sauce, give it a couple swirls. This will fill all those little bok choy nook and crannies. Do not forget the crunchy, fried, good garlic. Sesame seeds. Let's get that salmon. Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes you don't gotta be extra. You can just keep it simple so you don't have to do a whole lot to do something good for yourself.